friends. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Driving across the Edward Burton Rodgers Bridge in Okatie, South Carolina, offers a scenic view of the Broad River. This bridge, completed in 2004, spans approximately 1.7 miles and carries South Carolina Highway 170, connecting the northern and southern parts of Beaufort County. The Broad River, which the bridge crosses, is a significant waterway in the Lowcountry region. The area around Okatie is known for its rich history and natural beauty, featuring lush forests, scenic rivers, and abundant wildlife. Before the current bridge, a 2-lane drawbridge was in place, but due to growth and safety concerns, it was replaced with the current 4-lane fixed-span bridge. The Edward Burton Rodgers Bridge not only serves as a vital transportation link, but also offers travelers a chance to appreciate the natural beauty and historical significance of the Lowcountry region.